Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you two amazing tested and trusted health shot recipe that I have used in the past couple of months that has really helped me and helped me to maintain health, especially when I feel stressed or when I feel that I'm coming down with something, right? This helps keep the doctor away. So I'll be sharing with you my favorite beetroot apple ginger recipe. Um, I hope you know that beetroot is a superfood with all loaded with nutrients and vitamins, and so this recipe is a very potent one. Next, I have my pineapple ginger recipe, which is great to maintain health, immunity boosting, and could also help you lose some weight. I call it my natural Ozempic. You're feeling bloated, you're looking to lose some weight. Here is a sure recipe. It is really strong, and so you have to be careful. It's not one of the recipes that you can take every single day, no, and all you need is just a shot. So let's get right into it. I've gone ahead to peel up my pineapple behind the camera, and so I'm just going to go ahead and put it in my juicer. I'm not going to be using all of the pineapples. If you use all, it means you're just going to water down your drink. And then I don't know if you can see, I have some black pepper and cayenne pepper here. Because I'm using turmeric, and each time you use turmeric you have to activate it by using, you can use only black pepper or both, but it has to be there to activate the turmeric. If not, you're going to be missing out on some of the benefits. So this serves as a catalyst in this drink. So let's get right into it. And please try to use organic ginger and turmeric if possible. I'm also going to be adding 1 lemon in this drink. I'm starting up with the pineapple shot first to help because of the color of the beetroot. So once I put the beets in there, everything goes red. I'm not about to clean out my juicer, so you're not looking to make a full jar, just very little, because all you need is a shot. This is what I mean by a shot. This is basically 2 ounces. You want to use a decent amount of ginger, but ginger that you can stand. This drink is going to be very spicy, just so you know, as it should be. If it's not spicy, then you're not doing it right. I have 12 shot bottles here, 6 for each. But let's see how much juice we're gonna make or get from this. So first I want to crush in some black peppers. Don't worry, it's not so much. The grinder is, I'm having a grinder malfunction, so it's just very little that went in. Please use freshly grounded black pepper. Yeah, that's it. Now we're gonna stir to activate the turmeric. Now let's pour in so here we have our shots. Now if you're like me and you make a mess while dispensing or while working, please ensure to clean it immediately, because those colors, both of them, they're quite strong, and if you don't clean up immediately and they stay in your workstation, it's hard for them to go. So please have that in mind. This recipe can sit in the fridge for up to 1 week or even more, depending, but my recommendation is 1 week and it would still be fine. Would you be trying out this recipe? Please let us know. Leave us a comment down in the comment section to let us know if you'll be trying out this recipe. And until I see you again in the next one, bye guys. Have a beautiful rest of your day and a blessed week. Bye.